Hey yo, what is up? It's Reese Tapster, your favorite Snapchat guru, back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you Snapchat tricks, tips, and maybe dark mode. Now, this dark mode isn't the best dark mode. It isn't a full dark mode, but it is a dark mode for chats. So let's get right into this video. So starting off, I'm going to show you everything I do on screen, and we're going to start with emojis. Now, in case you didn't know, you're able to preset all your yellow emojis to a certain skin color. So if you want your emojis to be black, white, orange, whatever the case may be, if you want it to be a certain color, all you have to do is go in your settings, manage, and go to your emoji skin tone. Now moving on to the next tip, if you want to screenshot a chat without people knowing, all you have to do is hit their friendship profile and hit the down button as you swipe up at the same time as you can see on screen right now. When you swipe down to the home screen, you then can open back up your app switcher and take a screenshot and then crop it down to the image size so you can see the screenshot as if you just took a screenshot. Now this also works for stories. If you hold down on a story, hit report, and then hit exit on the report. Whenever you're trying to exit out, you swipe up and then you take a screenshot once you get from the home screen. Next tip will be data saver. Data saver actually saves your battery and data. Now this one is one of my favorite ones because it actually saves my battery. I'm actually out on the road and I'm doing things other than just being at home making Snapchat videos. So this really helps me out, keeps my battery going and keeps my phone going. Now this next tip is for everyone with public profiles. If you want to make your public profile say creator, comedian, or anything that you do, but you don't have that option yet to put a category, you then can put it in your location area. You can put whatever you want there, and it won't limit you to the amount of things that Snapchat gives you. Moving on next, for all of you influencers out there, I recommend putting on two-factor authentication because without this, people may be able to log into your account if you've ever given out your passwords in the past. I recommend turning this on because when you turn this on, you will now get a text message when anyone tries to log in into your Snapchat. So if you try logging into your Snapchat from a new device, your phone will get a text message with a verification code that they'll have to type in if they want to get into your Snapchat. For everyone with two accounts, Snapchat now saves your passcodes. I don't know how long this has been out, honestly, but it is a new feature to me, so I'm going to put this in here. Snapchat does save your accounts, and you can switch back and forth. This is a very simple way to get from one account to another if you used to have two phones because you didn't like logging out and logging back in. This is now making it more simpler to run multiple accounts. Next up on the list, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your friend emojis. All the emojis that appear next to your streaks or next to the people that you have had on your best friends list, you can go into your settings, hit manage, and manage friend emojis, and you can make whatever emoji you want for each of the categories such as best friend for a week, best friend for 2 weeks, and best friend for 2 months. Another tip and trick for those with public profiles, if you want to make yourself seem a little cooler, whenever you send your ad around, you can hit send your public profile around, send URL around, and this way people, whenever they add you, will see subscribe instead of ad, even if you're sending it through chats. Now moving on to memories, one cool feature that you can do is you can always search for the places you've been, the places that you've taken pictures, things that were in the picture such as waterfalls, rivers, lakes, and you're able to search these up in your memories and it'll show you all the pictures that have to do with that area, place, or thing. This makes it easier to find pictures, and you can also type in the year that it was taken. Lastly on the list, I'm going to be showing you how you can hide people on the Discover page that you don't want to be seeing. So if you see someone on the Discover page that you don't want to watch, all you have to do is hold down on their name and hit hide story or hide tile. This makes it so you won't see that user anytime you're on Discover. Alright guys, that's everything for the tips and tricks. I'll give you one extra one right now. If you want to get on Spotlight, post #satisfied. That is the easiest way to get on Spotlight. And now we're going to move on to the dark mode. The dark mode, as I said before, isn't the best dark mode, and I'm still looking for a way to do it without getting Snapchat Plus. Because I know some people don't like downloading Snapchat Plus, and also if you get caught with your account with Snapchat Plus, your account can get taken down. So I've been finding ways to do dark mode, and the easiest way I found so far is if you go into your settings on iPhone, you search up Smart Invert, you're able to then find Smart Invert and turn that on. Now whenever you go into chats in Snapchat, it will be a dark mode Snapchat, and this is just a simple little way to turn on dark mode, and I think it looks pretty cool. It does mess up the emojis a little bit, but I still think it's worth doing if you're trying to save battery at night and you're trying to not burn your eyes when you're on your phone. Alright guys, that's everything for today's video. I know this wasn't the best video, but I really tried hard to make it as good as possible. Hope you guys really enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in my next video.